Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Alright you guys, today I have a couple different palettes I was trying to decide what to film on, and I think I don't know, part of my heart is telling me don't do this, but then I mean, it's not anything bad. I'm just like having an indecisive moment right now. Let's go ahead and, dang it. You know what? I really, I don't know. Which palette do I want to go with? Okay, we're going to do this one. The NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette. Just because, I have been so impressed with the other NYX Ultimate palettes that I've used lately. Here's the inside of this palette. It's just really pretty. Just warm tone neutrals. But I was just so impressed with the other two that I have tried that I really want to use this right now. So, and I'm just feeling a more simple look today. You know, that doesn't happen very often, especially on the weekends, but the Glamlite Kiss palette is supposed to be delivered today, and it's Saturday, which means I should be able to get to film with that tomorrow. So obviously tomorrow is gonna be a crazy, colorful, fun look. So let's just have an easygoing moment today, you know, before the Kiss madness begins. So let's go ahead, and can I get two different looks that are going to be different enough out of this palette? You guys, I kind of don't really think that that's possible, so we'll probably do the same look on each eye if that's okay. Just because this isn't one of those crazy palettes where you're going to, you know, come out with anything crazy. I mean, it's beautiful and it's pretty. You know, it's a simpler look. Kind of like usually with my smaller color pop palettes, you know, I usually just kind of do the same look on each eye. So let's just do that. Plus, I'm running late. I'm so worn out for the weeks that weekends are just I'm just running a little behind. So let's start with this shade right here. They don't have names, and that's okay. I'm gonna just try and keep this simple and sweet and pretty and all the good things. So glad it's the weekend. I have a short week next week. Taking a day off next week, and then the week after that, if I can. I just need some calmness and relaxation in my life. You know, when you work like a crazy stressful job, it takes it all out of you. Okay, this shade isn't really showing up a whole lot, but that's okay. We'll go in with something else to kind of define the crease a little more. Then we'll go in with the shimmer, keeping it just easy look. I guess you could call this a no makeup look, kind of. You know, that's a thing. There's nothing wrong with that. Except when I like break out the mascara and stuff, but that's okay. You gotta have pretty lashes, right? Now I'm wanting to go in with, let's go in, oh man, there's so many pretty shades, but I kind of want to go with a more warm tone shade because it is like the warm neutrals palette. So I'm kind of thinking, let's go in with this one right here. This just looks really pretty, and I'm just wanting to put that in the crease. That is absolutely beautiful. Also, the new NYX butter, whatever they are called, bronzers are really nice. I am really enjoying it. I picked up the first three shades. One of the third one is being delivered today, because I couldn't really tell by looking at them, like, are these gonna be too orange or what? I've got the second shade on today, and I am really enjoying it. And I'll try out the third shade. I think that's gonna be delivered today as well, so I will try that out. but they are so silky smooth. They smell so good. They kind of have a scent slightly like the Physicians Formula Butter Rounders, except for to me they have more of like a vanilla scent, and they smell so good. Like I am a huge fan. Okay, so kind of a little more makeup for the makeup, no makeup look, but that's okay. I've never really done a look like that anyway. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the glitter glue and put it on both eyes. Okay. Now, which of these shimmers do we want to go in with? I'm thinking of going in with this one right here. Just very light and simple. Nothing crazy. I feel like I'm not even gonna recognize myself after this. I mean, I do sometimes like definitely more toned down looks for work, but on weekends I usually don't do this, so it's different. All right, now for the lower lash line. Again, just gonna keep it pretty simple. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. All right. And now for the lower corner highlight, which is going to be just ever so light. Is this like a shimmer shade? Slightly. Okay, we're going to use this shade. I would call this more like a satin type shade. It's not like fully shimmer, but it's light enough. I think maybe I might take another shade and put it on top of this. I just want to get like a little bit of lighter foundation laid down, and then we will revisit this thought in a couple seconds. Okay, yeah, let's take this shimmer right here and we're gonna put that on top of that other shade, just to kind of help it stand out just a little bit more. Just a little better. Just a little better. All right. Okay. So I don't think there's any fallout. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. And again, this is just like a really simple everyday look, but it is really pretty. The mascara just totally pulled it all together. There's just something about just adding mascara to any look, it just makes it look a million times better. And this is with the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette. And again, the quality is really, really good. Like, NYX has come a long way with their shadows. So here's the inside of that palette. And what's on the face today? I've been loving all the glowy foundations. So this is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. I call skin tint foundations, whatever. But I've gone back to using this. Absolutely love it. And then that Wet n Wild Bare Skin Tint as well. Absolutely phenomenal. The bronzer that I mentioned earlier, I just somehow dipped that in like a pile of shadow. I don't know how I did that. Let me clean that off. It's the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer, and this is in the shade All Buttered Up. And here is the inside of this bronzer. If I can get it open. There we go. Can you see that? This is just absolutely beautiful. It's, oh my God, smells so good. And it is just, I don't know, I just absolutely love the tone of this bronzer. It is, like I said, what I'm wearing today. Beautiful, beautiful, goes on smooth. It is so silky. I think this might be my new favorite bronzer. And then the highlight, it's just the Moira Dreamlight highlighter in the shade Reckless Love. And here is that highlight that I'm wearing today. And for the lip, I've gotten back into loving the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink lippies, and this is in the shade Charmed. That's what I'm wearing today on the lips. And I just think it goes perfectly with the eye look. So that is all the deets of what's on the face. You guys, thank you so much again for tuning into this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. If you know someone who may enjoy my content, please share it with them. That would just mean the world to me. You guys, I can't thank you enough for all the love and support that you show me. This channel is literally what gets me through the weeks. I'm not even kidding. It gave me something to look forward to, something to enjoy in life, and I just absolutely love it. So just thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Remember that you are beautiful, you're loved, you're amazing, and just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.